Hey, Billy, remember when I spanked you last night?
Hey, shut up!
Will you be quiet? I'm trying to play video games.
But that wasn't me, that was him.
That's it. Get rid of that puppet. I don't want to see it anymore.
Be quiet. That's why your lips are bigger than your brain.
Oh! I broke my hand. I broke my hand.
Who's getting slapped in here?
Hey, Trevor, you know you have the same face as a horse?
Ooh, nah, bruh.
You little weasel!
It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Is that all you got, My Little Pony?
Billy, did you pass away?
Oh no, Billy needs CPR.
Oh!